Okay. Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can understand English, ma'am, but not fluent to speak English, ma'am.
It's okay as long as you can communicate with the employer is we don't have any problem. You can as long as you can understand also is we don't have problem. Yeah? Because if you don't understand, then there is no point of coming here, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. 100% po.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am. I'm healthy po.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I ch- I ch- I choose Malaysia, ma'am, because no placement fee and salary reduction po.
Are you sure that there is no deduction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, help us introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. I am Mary Ann Ada Mansila, 25 years old. I have one son, 2 years old. I live in Philippines. My religion is Catholic. My bo- I my born I was born on April 22, 2000 po.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first. Do you have your passport already? You are 25 years old. You are single?
Yes, ma'am.
Single with live-in partner?
Single parent po, ma'am.
Single mother. Okay, what is your height and your weight?
My height is five 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 flat. My
Okay.
weight is my weight is 52 po.
Okay, what is your educational background?
My educational background, ma'am, is second year college lang po, ma'am.
Okay, what course? What
Ma'am,
course you took up?
education, ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned that you got one kid, which is 2 years old, and you are a single mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know what are you up to, right? You were working as a domestic helper.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to work as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me more about your family's details?
My mother's name, ma'am, is Juana A. Damansela. My father's name is Daniel B. Damansela po.
Okay, how old is your mother and your father?
Ma'am,
How old is your mother and how old is your father?
my mother is 47. My father is 48.
What
Po.
about your brother and sister? How many brother and sister do you have?
Sister is one. Brother is one.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
Yan po.
Okay, so in your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in Kidapawan, Philippines way back 2019 to 2021. Is it stay in Maid?
Yes, ma'am.
You worked there for how many years?
3 years, ma'am.
2019, 20, so it start 2019, 20 and 21.
Yes, ma'am. As a nanny din po.
What month in 2019?
September
September 2019 until September
2022.
2021 also. 2021 or 22?
22.
22. Okay. Can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Kidapawan? What is your job responsibilities?
My duties, ma'am, is cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, and caring the baby po.
How
Three
old is the
baby.
baby that you take care? How
Kids,
old?
ma'am.
How?
Kids, ma'am.
Yes. How many
Kids.
children?
3.
How old are those children that you take care?
12, 8, and 6 years old.
Okay. So what happened? Why you decided not to continue working with this employer?
Because I am working student mom.
You are working student at time, and then suddenly you just get pregnant 2023 until recently.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are a full-time mother after this working experience, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So being a domestic helper is very tough job. It is not an easy job. You cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your child or you cannot handle your job anymore. Okay? You are going to sign a 2 years contract. And any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And I would like to let you know also the reality of working here in Malaysia. Houses here is very big one. Okay, you need to get ready yourself. You need to prepare yourself. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness also. You might experience those things that you didn't experience in the Philippines at the same time. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
No, ma'am, but I will try.
Okay,
My
yes or
best.
no?
No.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare?
Filipino dishes po, ma'am.
But you are willing to learn some new recipes, right?
Yes.
Okay, so are you
Willing?
comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours. But instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I agree po.
Okay, we wanted to clarify it to you because we don't want to have such a problem later. It's either you agree or you disagree with our terms and conditions. If you agree, it's okay, then you can come. Don't give us problem. Don't give us trouble. If you disagree, it's okay. Fine. We don't force people to come here. But you stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries, yeah? As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. It's you that wanted to come and work here. So don't give us problem later. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. I agree po.
This is your first time working abroad, and you know, normally, homesickness will frequently attack you as you are a fresher and you will working quite far away from your kid. How are you gonna handle your homesickness later?
I will call my family, ma'am, after work.
You will call your family after work. Okay, so in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, and we need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, and you wanted to give a better future for your kid, most especially that you are a single mother, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to ask you, right now you are a single mother, but do you have boyfriend?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, because you come here to work and not to find boyfriend at the same time also. Yeah?
Ma'am.
Okay, any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you so
Thank
much
you.
and have a good day. Bye.